In this video, I'm gonna talk about does Poco C75 run Blood Strike smoothly? Let's check it out. I have already installed this game from Play Store, so I will simply open it. I will first go in settings, graphics, and set the graphics quality to low. Now let's play the game.
The safe zone has been redefined.
It is working smooth on the low graphics. Now let's set the graphic quality to medium. Now let's play the game. It is also running smooth on the medium graphics. Now let's set the graphics quality to high. Now let's play the game.
Auto airdrop incoming.
It is working smooth on the high graphics.
Target eliminated.
I have played this game on the low, medium and high graphics. If we talk about the game performance, it is running smooth. So yes, Poco C75 can run this game. If you like the gaming insights, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel.